Whoa. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, so I totally have another video to do today. The last one that I did had like, I don't know. Yeah. You couldn't even hear me. So much of that stuff I'm gonna probably say again, I don't know, on a new video, but I just wanted to shoot this really quick to test my audio and make sure that you can even hear me as I move forward and do more and more and more videos. Fix my hair while I'm at it. I totally need to get my bangs cut, don't I? Kind of in my face, in my eyes. Okay. Well, if you couldn't hear me, I'm sure watching that was funny. Alright, I gotta get back to work. Bye. Have a good day. Have a wonderful day.